Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nusrat Jahan, Assistant Teacher English Version, Ispahani Girls School and College. I'm here again with my new video. Today's class will start with Chapter 12, Time. Today we will discuss about calendar. Bengali calendar and English calendar both. Girls, we know there are 12 months in both Bengali and English calendar, right? If you look properly, the first 5 months of Bengali calendar, Boishakh, Jyeshtho, Ashadh, Shravan and Bhadra, there are 31 days. There are 31 days in each month, right? And rest of the 7 months, Ashwin, Kartik, Agrahan, Posh, Magh, Falgun and Chaitra, there are 30 days in each month. Okay. We have to know the calendar properly to find out dates and days. There's a question here. According to Bengali calendar, Shuma was born on 26th of Shravan. 26th of Shravan. Now you have to know how many days are there in the month Shravan. There are 31 days, right? Okay. Her sister was born after 12 days of her birthday. After 12 days of her birthday, her sister was born. What is her sister's birth date? Now you have to find out her sister's birth date. Okay. If you check properly, see, Shuma's birthday is 26th of Shravan. That means how many days left? 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 and 31. 5 days left to complete the month. So there are 5 days. Okay. At first we have to subtract 5. That is the remaining days of Shravan, because she was born on 26 and Shravan, there are 31 days in the month Shravan. If you subtract 26 from 31, we get 5. At first we have to subtract 5 from 12. We get 7. Right. These 7 days are the days of the next month. The next month or the following month is Bhadra. Okay. So her sister's birth date will be the 7th of Bhadra. That means if we subtract 5 from the 12 days, because her sister was born after 12 days of 26th Shravan, 5 days go to Shravan, right? Then we get 7 days. That is from the next month. The next month is Bhadra. That means 7th of Bhadra. Okay. The next question. Let's see. What is the 70th day after 24th of Bhadra? What is the 70th day after 24th of Bhadra? Now this is an important question. 70th day. 70 is a big number. Okay. At first we have to know how many days are there in the month Bhadra. There are 31 days. Okay, there are 31 days in the month Bhadra. So in the question it is mentioned 24th of Bhadra. 24th of Bhadra, that means how many days left? 24. After 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 7 days. Here are 7 days. We have to make it 70. Okay. So next 2 months are Ashwin 30 days, Kartik 30 days. We are adding 30 and 30 here. In total there are 67 days. Left 3 days. Left 3 days to complete that 70 days cycle. Okay. So with 7 days the month Bhadra will be completed. After that 30 and 30, that means Ashwin and Kartik are gone. Now the turn is, it is the turn of Agrahan. Okay, and 3 days remain to complete the day cycle. So it will be 3rd of Agrahan. It will be 3rd of Agrahan. Okay, now let's check the English calendar. We know there are 365 days. Unlike Bengali calendar, there are different days in different months of English calendar. Except February, it varies. If there is a leap year or if there is not a leap year, that means regular year, it can be 28 or it can be 29. Okay, now let's do a math. What is the day that is after 49 days of 25th of June? You have to check, you have to know how many days are there in the month June. There are 30 days in the month June. Here it is mentioned 25th of June. So how many days left? 25th to 30, there are 5 days. Okay. What is the day that is after 49 days of 25th of June? After 49 days. Okay. So what is the next day? What is the following month? After June it comes July. And July, there are 31 days in the month July. Right. So we have to add at first the remaining 5 days of June after 25, the remaining 5 days of June plus the 31 days of July. The sum will be 36. Okay, because we have to find out after 49 days. So now we will subtract 36 from 49 and we get the difference 13. Okay, with the 5 days, June, the month June is completed. With the 31, the month July is completed. And then remains another 13 days. These 13 days will be the days of the following month, that is August. Okay, so the day after 49 days of 25th of June will be the 13th of August. I hope it is clear, girls. Okay, the next math. If 3rd May is Friday, 3rd May is Friday, then what day of the week was 31st May? If 3rd May is Friday, 3rd May is Friday, then what day of the week was 31st May? Now check it. At first we have to subtract 3 from 31. We know there are 31 days in the month May. At first we have to subtract 3 because 1, 2 and 3, these 3 days are gone. We have to count from the after that. When we subtract 3 from 31, the difference is 28. Okay. Now we have to check one thing, that what is the day mentioned in the question. The day is Friday, so the next week will start with Saturday, right? If the day mentioned in the question is Friday, you will count the week from the next day, that is Saturday. If the day mentioned in the question will be Saturday, you will count the next week from Sunday. Okay. Now we know 1 week is equal to 7 days, right? So we have to divide 28, the remaining days of this month, with 7, and there is no remainder. We got the quotient 4. That means there are 4 complete weeks in the month of May. We have to find out the day of the last date of May. If when we have started counting the weeks, if the first day of the week, 4th May, will be Saturday, then the 10th May will finish with Friday, right? If the first day of the week starts with Saturday, the last day of the week will be Friday. So there are 4 weeks here. First week, first day is Saturday, last day is Friday. Second week also, first day is Saturday, last day is Friday. First day, third week also, first day is Saturday, last day is Friday. And the fourth week also, the first day is Saturday and the last day will be Friday. So 31st May will be Friday. Okay. Now let's change the date and do another math here. If I change the date, instead of 31st, I am using here 21st of May. Then how can you do the math? At first we have to subtract 3 from 21. There will be 18. There will be 18. Now I have to divide it with 7 to make it a week. Okay. If I divide 18 by 7, the quotient will be 2. 7 2s are 14 and the remainder will be 4. Acha. So we can see here there are 2 complete weeks, and because the first day of the week was Saturday, the last day of the week will be Friday. The first day of the week was Saturday and the last day of the week will be Friday. Okay, we have to count extra 4 days from Friday. Okay, so then the day will be after Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. The 4th day after complete 2 weeks will be Tuesday. Okay girls, so today's discussion is over here. Now there is a question for you. Do yourself. Tamim's birthday is 28th May. Tasmia's birthday is 8 days after Tamim's birthday. When is her birthday? Do it yourself. I hope this video will help you. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Tata.